So some people ask in system.io how to remove the powered by system, which is at the bottom right corner. They ask to remove it on a free plan. On a free plan, you don't have the option to remove it. When you are on a paid plan, you can remove it in the settings of the page. For each page, you can remove it or let it. You have to know that this powered by Systeme.io is also an affiliate link to Systeme.io, your own affiliate link. So it makes sense to let it, but if you don't want it, you can just remove it. But with a free plan, to remove it, you need a CSS code, which you can see here. It's a very simple one line. Just you hide the button, but you don't have the option in the page settings. That's it. So it's very easy. And you know it's many people ask for this. Well, this question is not the same. They ask, will it disappear with a paid plan? No, it will not disappear. You will have the option to make it disappear in your page settings, but it will not disappear because you have a paid plan. Myself, I have a paid plan and I still display this powered by Systeme because it's an affiliate link, so why not? And inside, I wanted to show you, so you have a lot of rubbish answers, like yes, I'm not sure what to do next, can you put me in the right direction? You have a lot of, not crazy people, but stupid people answering anything. And you have some, like a brainy Kenneth, which is here to sell you, to get money from you. So they are very nice. Like, yes, it will, but I can also help you remove it on a free account. Feel free to reach out to me if you need it done. How is it possible? Check your inbox. So someone else answer, it's possible with custom code. So, they don't answer really. And there is one, Bill Morgan, says, be careful, this against SEO terms. So is it true? Where? Where does it say in SEO terms that it's against it to remove it with a code? Can you prove it? Do you think it's really there? So show me. I don't believe that. I don't believe they put it. It's not against SEO term. And if it is, then just show me. Maybe. So you see the code, how you put it. I will show you next. But first, just for fun, let's focus on Brainy Kenneth because I contacted him and I asked, yeah, hello, how to remove the powered by Systeme with the free plan? And then, hi James, you inquired about how to remove the powered by Systeme tag from your page in Systeme.io without having to upgrade to the paid plan. Well, it is possible by writing and applying some lines of code into your page. I will be glad to help you out with this if you need it done. So I say, yes, of course, help me, please. Please send me the code. Is it long? No, it's not. The code isn't something I can just release for free. Be realistic. It's so advanced. I say, why not? It's something that took me some days to discover how to go about it. So you can't expect me to release it out just like that. I will charge $10 and will get the code across to you immediately. So I say, okay, I see. Yeah, so $10 for the code deal? In your dreams. Let me think about it. I say, all right, when should I expect the feedback from you? In a couple of days maximum. All right, no problem. Looking forward to receiving a feedback soon. So I'm sure I don't answer to him. He will be even tomorrow or tonight. So have you thought about it? Let me maybe for $5. I will ask him. Can you do it for $5? But it's a joke. So this brainy Kenneth, if you see him around, don't talk to him because this is crap. You can see that the code is very easy. So here, you see, I'll do a test. So let's try this one. Okay, you can see it. So here it's in French, but the same. So what I do, I go in settings, the page, or I could do it in a HTML element or in the settings of the page in header code or footer code. Doesn't matter, but the best I think would be header code because it's the first one to appear. So you are sure it's here. It's a CSS rule. So you could just say in app A, you don't need to understand this one, but it's just say display none. Okay, save it. So they will know that they don't have to display this. So you save and you look at it, and then it disappeared. So it's very easy. It's just one line of code, and this brainy Kenneth is lying through his teeth. It's something that took me some days to discover how to go about it. It's not true. You know how you discover? I will show you if you want. if you don't want the same. So how to discover how to do it is very easy. In CSS, you must know display none if you don't want to display something. So what you do is you look at the page, you right click on it here, and you do inspect. So here it shows you where you are. And you know, you have a div ID app, so that's why you put a hashtag app, and then you go to the A for the link. So if you want, you right click on this, and you can just copy the selector. Copy the selector of this, how to select it. And so I can show you maybe here. I do edit. So I will paste. I paste what I have. Huh? So they give me this. This is a selector. So in the style, in fact, you just put this and you open like this and you say display none and you close it. And this is your rule to say that this element should not be displayed. So you see, this is a CSS rule. That's how you find out. You don't need days to discover it. You don't need to make people pay $10 or whatever. It's so easy. Right click, inspect, copy selector, and add your CSS rule. I could make it bigger. I could make it move. Could do a lot of things to this Power by Systeme button. So that's it really. I don't know if he will do it for $5. Maybe he will say, I cannot go below 8. This is funny, but that's it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. By the way, Brainy Kenneth just replied. He said, no problem about that. So I can get it for 5. Maybe I could get it for 1 if I ask him. Won't push it. It's so advanced. I'm ashamed to ask for just $1.